Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna show you this shop trick, and I think we're gonna have all set. So now we have two teams, and we have all the aces. We have one ace of hearts, one regular card, ace of spades, and ace of diamonds, and ace of clubs, and you have it all. So make sure they are all on this order. So then you take it. So then you take this side of deck, this side, the back side. Then you take first the heart, then the ledger, then you take the spades, then take the hearts, take the clubs. Then you have the order like so. You see, order like so. So now you can start the trick. So there you do, you choose the other side of this, so you not expose this. But if expose this, then you like so, and you don't want that. So you do so, and we choose other card, like we choose spades, this card. Doesn't matter how they choose. Then you take this card on this, and then you do a pinky break like so, and then you shuffle, do so, so, so. I think this right now. Yes, it's right now. Now we have this on this side, on this first. So there you do, you do a pinky break, and you do first, you do take pinky break 2. So this 2 becomes 4, and you do so, and then you show all of them, and then you get the first card. Then you do take the ace under there, and then you do, then you can do then you don't have to do any break. You can just do a 3 here, and then you flip over. Then you can flip over this. So then you have to do same, because don't want to see them this. So do the same, take them so, and you do 4 like so. So then you take them, and you choose there. Then you check which aces and you take them so, and you take it and switch, and you got the ace there. Then you take them and you do a 4 again, and you do so, and you take there is this card, and you take ace between, and you do so, and then you have a 3, and now you have the heart there, and there's is the trick. So now we have the spectator's card is here, and the other card. So this was shop or what they call it, but it's a fun trick. Not so advanced, eller inte medelter. So thank you for watching. If you need help with this trick, comment below, and like and share this video. So see you in next video. Bye.